Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss about Laravel deployment on AWS step by step. Laravel deployment on AWS. Okay. Step by step. Okay. Step 1, to create EC2 instance. Okay. And go to AWS Console and to open EC2. Inside the EC2, click launch instance, then choose OS Ubuntu 22.04 and instance type T2 micro. This one is the free. Okay. And next coming to create download .pem key. Okay. And next fifth one, allow ports. Okay. Ports 22 SSH and 80 HTTP and 443 for HTTP yes. Okay. And coming to step 2, to connect to the server. Open terminal, that means CMD or Git Bash. Okay. And SSH I and your key .pem Ubuntu @ your public IP. Okay. Next coming to step 3, to install required software. Okay. And update system, sudo apt to update, sudo apt upgrade y. Okay. And to install PHP and extensions. Next coming to sudo apt install PHP and PHP CLI, PHP MB string and PHP XML, PHP BCMATHA and PHP URL, PHP MySQL unzip URL -y. Okay. Next coming to install Composer, URL yes https get composer org installer. Okay. Next PHP next sudo mv composer .phr user local bin composer. Okay. Next to install Apache, sudo apt to install Apache 2-y. Next coming to step 4, to upload Laravel project. To upload Laravel project. Okay, this one git clone https github.com your repo git and cd your project. And option 2 for this, to upload manually, that means to FileZilla SCP. And next coming to step 5, to install Laravel dependency. This one to composer install. And step 6, configure environment. Okay, this one cp .env example .env. Okay, next php artisan key to generate. Next to edit the database nano.env. And to update db database, in this place your db. Next db username, root, local it is root, and live you can type your username and password. Password is equal to your password. Local no need password. And next step 7, to set up the database. Set up database. To install MySQL, sudo apt to install MySQL server -y. In this login, sudo MySQL, and to create the DB, to create database Laravel DB name, and run migrations php artisan migrate. This one is the command. Next step 8, to set the permissions. Sudo chon r www data and www data where www html your project. Okay, next sudo chmod r 775 to storage bootstrap cache. Next step 9, to configure Apache. This one to create the configuration file, sudo nano etc apache 2 sites available Laravel conf. Next to add virtual host 80 and server admin @example.com. Next, document root where www html your project and public. Okay. Next, coming to directory where www html your project. Okay. Next, coming to hello override all and close the directory. Next, to enable the site, sudo a2 nsite laravel conf and sudo a2 enmod rewrite and sudo systemctl restart apache. This one very important. And coming to step 10, access your website. Open the browser, http your public IP and next your Laravel app is now live. Your Laravel app is now live. Okay. And optional improvement for this is Amazon RDS for database and use Amazon S3 for file storage and next add SSL using let's encrypt. Okay. And simple architecture for this user EC2, that means Laravel app and next RDS database and next EC2 S3 storage. Thank you.